Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving headfirst into the pretty overwhelming 2026 software landscape to help you pinpoint the exact right video editing tool for your specific workflow and budget. We're going to figure this out together because honestly, if you've been feeling completely lost in a sea of apps lately, you are definitely not alone.
Let me ask you a crucial question right off the bat. Are you still lazily cropping widescreen videos and just kind of hoping for the best on TikTok or Reels? Come on, be honest. Because if you are, you're leaving a massive amount of engagement on the table.
Look, that old way of doing an awkward 16:9 crop, it usually triggers an instant scroll from viewers. It just looks clunky and out of place on a phone screen. But a native 9:16 vertical design, that captures the mobile audience perfectly. It feels purposeful, it's immersive, and it's native to the exact platform they're already endlessly scrolling on. So here is our roadmap for today. 1. The vertical video shift. 2. The truth about free. 3. Top mobile-first editors. 4. Text-based editing and AI. 5. Pro desktop video solutions. And 6. Finding your perfect workflow. All right, let's kick things off with section 1, the vertical video shift.
What's genuinely staggering right now is the sheer dominance of mobile. Over 90% of all video consumption is happening vertically, right in the palms of our hands. I mean, think about your own habits. If you aren't building your content specifically for this 90%, you are virtually invisible to the vast majority of your potential audience.
Moving right along to section 2, the truth about free. We really need to talk about what free actually gets you these days. Apps like InShot and CapCut are great, sure, but they lock clean exports behind extremely annoying ads or paid monthly subscriptions. It is incredibly frustrating to spend an hour meticulously editing a great video on your phone, only to find a massive logo stamped right across your final export unless you open your wallet. You've got to know what you're trading here. It's either your money, your time watching ads, or your brand's professional look.
That brings us to section 3, top mobile-first editors.
If you're looking for a solid daily workspace, Splice offers a really straightforward, almost desktop-level timeline right on your phone for rapid publishing. It gives you precision cuts, speed ramping, and a fantastic royalty-free music catalog without completely overwhelming you with unnecessary features. It's an incredibly solid baseline for that everyday shoot, edit, publish loop.
But what if you care about maximum resolution and don't want to pay? Well, zero. Zero is exactly what it costs to export watermark-free 4K video at 60 frames per second using the VN Video Editor app. For budget-conscious creators who refuse to compromise on visual quality, VN is an absolute powerhouse. It even throws in multi-track timelines and keyframe animations, which, let's be real, is super rare for a true zero-cost export.
Now, alternatively, there's Instagram's new native app, Edits. It offers entirely free 4K exports and live metrics, giving you a totally seamless workflow directly within the Meta ecosystem. If your entire audience pretty much lives on Reels, having an editor built specifically by Instagram with zero watermarks and built-in trend spotting is a massive, massive strategic advantage.
Let's shift gears to section 4, text-based editing and AI.
60 to 70%. That's the staggering reduction in editing time creators are seeing when they use tools like Descript. Just imagine getting literal hours of your life back every single week simply by changing the way you edit dialogue. And the magic of Descript is incredibly intuitive. You literally edit your video by deleting words in a text document, and it automatically cuts out the matching video and audio. When you highlight and delete a sentence or a filler word like from the transcript, the video seamlessly jumps to match. It is genuinely as easy and natural as editing a Word document. But hey, what about jumping on those super fast social trends? For that, CapCut still remains completely dominant. With its massive library of AI auto captions and beat-synced templates, short-form production becomes unbelievably efficient. These AI workflows let you jump on audio trends in minutes, automatically syncing your clips right to the beat of the music without you having to manually slice a single frame.
All right, let's level up. Section 5, Pro Desktop Video Solutions.
On one end of the spectrum, you've got Adobe Premiere Pro's absolute timeline control, which is completely indispensable if you're running an agency or doing high-end campaigns. But on the other side, Final Cut Pro offers Mac users a massive time saver called Smart Conform. It automatically reframes wide horizontal shots into vertical clips using object detection. It quite literally tracks the face of your subject so you don't have to lift a finger. And we absolutely cannot forget DaVinci Resolve. It offers an incredibly powerful free version that is literally used on Hollywood films. Meanwhile, a one-time upgrade unlocks an AI smart reframe tool that tracks your subject perfectly. You're getting world-class color grading, audio mixing, and visual effects all crammed inside one single application. And best of all, absolutely no monthly subscription required. Let's bring it all together in Section 6, Finding Your Perfect Workflow. Think of this as your ultimate buyer's guide. We're matching your specific creator profile to the perfect software solution to save your absolute most valuable commodity, your time. If you're a mobile purist who just wants to shoot and post, go grab Splice or Edits. If you're an AI innovator churning out dialogue, you really need Descript. And if you're a desktop pro demanding total control, Resolve or Premiere is exactly where you belong. We've exposed the freemium traps and mapped out the absolute best tools the 2026 landscape has to offer. The editing process is more automated than it has ever been, and producing high-quality, watermark-free content doesn't have to cost you a single dime if you pick the right app. So the real question is, now that the software is literally doing half the work for you, just how far are you going to push your own creativity? Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to tell us what you think. I can't wait to see what you build.